Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing some testing on the outdoor lights. The C7 Twinkles are handy, so I'm going to start with those. All these that go on the bushes. I guess I've got them all bundled together this year. Try to start one at a time. This one is labeled as front bush strand number 2. Let's turn it on and see what it does. Get my reaching pipe and turn my light off. That one's gone. Unfortunately, it's a GE Twinkle Bright. But it looks like all the others are going to be okay. And look at that effect. Nice strobe effect. Take a closer look at the interesting failure there. So I will locate a replacement and get that fixed up. That's it. 19 volts, 18 volts, and it's still that bright. $30 and 34 volts, it starts going crazy. So how about that? One little, and that's at 10 volts there. It's still visibly illuminated, but I will see if I've got a blue Twinkle over here. Got one right there. So unfortunately, a vintage GE Twinkle Bright bites the dust. Here we go one more time. We'll go full chooch. See what happens. I think those are going to work dandy. Okay, first strand passes the test. Let's see about strand number 3. Strand number 3. Looks to be all good. Go full chooch on it. Got some green paint fading off of there, flaking off, which is common for these types of lamps. Once I get them installed, I'll go through and kind of tidy up some of the ones that are peeling pretty bad. Those are just fine. What do we got here? Alrighty. That one's not labeled. Looks like a new wire, new stringer. Okay, those go on the Nandina tree with those random blue LED twinkle lamps in them. Looks like those are going to be working okay. Or do we have a lamp out there? What we got here? Yep, got a yellow lamp out. Guess I'm going to have to go into the Horde, get some replacement lamps out. Got some Twinkle yellows. a loose bulb there. And another loose bulb. I think we're all good to go there. So there's that one. And here's the next one. Also a Nandina. See what we got here to work with. Definitely got some peeling going on there. These have been in service for quite some time. That's better. And these, probably just clean the coating off of them and they'll be clear lamps. But I like to keep my display pristine as possible. And I think I can live with any of those. They're not peeling too badly. So there's that one. And then got one more. Don't know why I decided to tie all those together like that, but whatever. And what do we got here? Loose? Yep. And got a little green beyond what's acceptable to me. Better than another one. And another. That one's super faded. Much better. I think those will be acceptable for the display. These are front bushes strand number 1. So definitely want those looking as good as possible since they're front and center. Yep, I think those will be fine and dandy. Let's give the 1996 Santa lights a test. They were kind of handy. They failed early in the season last year, but they're still working now. See if my one Twinkle light works. There it goes. So those are good. So I guess that'll be a long enough segment for this video. Thank you for watching. A lot more to come.